In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a freebie or a lead magnet using AI. So let's get into it. First of all, what is a freebie or a lead magnet? Those words get used interchangeably. And why does it matter? So it's basically a free resource that you give out in exchange for an email address. So it is a way to grow your email list, as well as a way to get people into your community so that they can get to know, like, and trust you better. So how do we do this and what do we build? Right? So there's three main types that work really well. Those are checklists. Think like if you're a content creator, right? Like, what is your content creation checklist? What are the things that your content needs before you post it? Maybe it's titles and descriptions, and of course the video footage. Maybe there's b-roll that goes with the talking head, right? Like, what is the list of things that people can check off as they go when they're doing something? So that's the first type of content. The second type is templates of some sort. So this could be something like a landing page template that you use, a simple landing page template that someone else can utilize and adapt to be their own. And then the third one that works really well is a mini course. So this is a small training, 30 minutes or less, of something like solving one problem for your potential customer. So why do we do this? This is a way to get people to trust us, get to know us better, and understand the expertise that we have. So how do we build this? We can utilize, instead of coming up with it all from scratch and trying to figure out the formatting ourselves, we can use AI to help us do this. And I like to use ChatGPT for that. So we want to make sure it is something simple but valuable. So think about like one problem, one promise, and if it's a PDF, it's one page, right? Or a short video tutorial. Now, you can utilize a prompt that I'm going to give you below in the description in order to help you build this. But basically, you are going to tell it a little bit about the problem that you want to solve, who your potential customer is, and whether you're going to build a template, a checklist, a video script, what it is that you need. You're going to give it that information, and then in return, you're going to ask it to spit out for you what the title is, a simple description about how they're going to utilize this resource, and then it's going to create either a script for you for a video to create, or it's going to create a simple like checklist, whatever it is you asked it to create for you, so that you can copy and paste that and put it into PDF. So once you have this created with ChatGPT, this can take you like 10 minutes or less. You could do it in 5. Then what do we do with this, right? So if you've created something that's in a PDF, I suggest that you either put it in a Google Drive, or if you are building your email list and you have an email system, then you can host it on there. And what you're going to want to do is, when you're creating your content, you're going to give them a next step. So in your content, you might say at the end of it something like, if you want let's say you're a content creator. Let's go back to that example, okay? So let's say if you want my checklist that I use every day while I'm creating content, just check the link below or comment the word checklist below, and I'd be happy to send you the checklist. From there, they are going to be taken to a page to give you their email, so that in return, you can send them that checklist that you created or the mini course that you created for them. So this is a win-win for both parties. And then when they download or watch that free resource that you provided, at the end of it, it is going to have a next step option for them. So this is a way to then put the product that you sell in front of them. So you have not only delivered them value once in order to, from your content, right? Because they saw your content first, then you delivered them more value from your free resource. Now you can pitch them your product. So it's a way for you to get them closer into your community, get to know you more, and see what it is you have to offer them and decide for themselves whether it's a right fit for them. If you don't already have an email system set up to deliver that free resource, check out my next video. It is going to walk you through exactly how to do this step by step. It's super simple and you can get started for free. So watch that next.